How can so few ingredients turn out to taste so delicious? Zucchini and cheese is a recipe that I got from my mother over 30 years ago. In this video, I'm going to share how I make this easy yet tasty dish. Hello, welcome to Lornas.Cookin. I'm Lorna. If you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please do. When I was a kid, my mother didn't have a problem with me and my brothers eating our vegetables. She knew how to either hide the vegetables in food or make them taste really good. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make my mom's delicious zucchini and cheese dish. In this recipe, I'm using 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 2½ pounds of sliced zucchini, 1½ pounds of sliced tomatoes, 1 large onion thinly sliced, 2 teaspoons of seasoning salt, and 4 cups of medium cheddar, and I shredded the cheddar cheese myself. I heat my oil in the skillet, and then I add my onions. I'm going to saute the onions until they become soft and translucent, kind of see-through. I cook the onions for about 4 minutes until they softened up. And now I'm going to add my zucchini. I'm just going to stir the zucchini around in the onions and the oil until they become softened. I turn the heat down to medium, and I'm stirring the onions and the oil and the zucchini together as the zucchini cooks. I've stirred the zucchini and the oil and the onions just until the zucchini has been heated. Now I'm going to add my tomatoes. After adding my tomatoes, I'm going to stir just until the liquid starts escaping from the tomatoes. After about 4 minutes, the tomatoes should be releasing some of their juices. Once the tomatoes have softened up a little and released a little bit more of their juices, I'm going to add the seasoning salt. Stir the seasoning salt into the mixture. After I stir the seasoning salt into the mixture, I'm going to put a lid on it and then cook for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes of cooking with the lid on, I'm ready to sprinkle my cheese on top. I will continue to let the zucchini cook until the cheese is melted. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you try the recipe. If you do, please comment below, or even if you have a question. Anyway, Thanks for watching. Take care.